Meaning of French braid.
French braid.
French braid.
French braid.
French braid. A French braid is a type of braided hairstyle that begins at the crown of the head and includes all the hair. The hair is divided into 3 sections, with each section braided over the other to create a woven effect. As the braid progresses down the head, more hair is incorporated from the sides until all the hair is braided. The finished result is a tight, intricate braid that sits close to the head and can be styled in various ways. It's a popular and elegant hairstyle for both casual and formal occasions.